Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by readying both devices. Make sure the DualSense has enough charge and your phone or PC is on the Bluetooth page. Now press and hold the PlayStation button and the Create button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. This puts the controller into pairing mode and the light bar will blink rapidly. Once you see the flashing, immediately switch to your device's Bluetooth list and be prepared to select Wireless Controller. This initiates the wireless handshake. After selecting Wireless Controller, confirm any pairing prompts on your device. Some systems show a code, accept it. Once connected, make sure the controller is recognized as a gamepad. Open your app or operating system input settings to map buttons, enable gyro or touchpad if supported, and test analog sticks. If you're on PC, set the controller type in Steam or your emulator. Once done, tweak polling rate or performance settings to balance latency versus stability for smoother gameplay. Finish by running a quick controls test. Press every button, move both sticks, pull triggers, and check the microphone if you need it. Recalibrate in settings if you notice drift. Once everything works, you can reconnect later simply by pressing the PlayStation button. If Bluetooth fails, plug in with USB to re-establish pairing. If problems persist, use a paperclip to press the small reset button on the back for 5 seconds. Then repeat pairing, because a reset clears firmware hiccups and stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.